Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your RBS Mastercard account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your RBS Mastercard account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address rbs.cl.uk like this and turn enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of the RBS Bank or the Royal Bank of Scotland. And over here guys, let's accept all the cookies, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. In order to log into our account, we'll be required to click on that button which says the login, and after that you'll be directed to the login panel of the RBS or the Royal Bank of Scotland. And over here guys, you can see this is the first step where you'll be required to either enter your customer number or your card number. You can do anything, but we'll be proceeding with the card number itself. And let's enter our card number, and after entering your card number guys or the customer number, simply click on continue, and on the next step you will be required to enter the password relating to your card number or your customer number, and after that you'll be able to sign into your RBS account from over here. And guys, if you have not yet signed up for RBS account, you can simply click on the sign up here button available over here to go through a procedure to register an account on RBS. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your RBS Mastercard account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.